Good day, all pet matters. Today we will have a comparison for the use of wellbeing box for mommy dog nursing her puppies and puppy dog cage with plastic mesh. Okay, what are the advantages of puppy dog cage? There are certain limits wherein you can use the whelping box. As the name implies, it's for whelping. And because the newborn puppies need to be nursed in the whelping box, we just use that whelping box for a limited time. So after that limited time, we will transfer the newborn puppies to the puppy cage with plastic mesh. You can see the difference when the mommy is nursing in the whelping box at this point of age of the puppy versus nursing these puppies in the puppy cage. Okay, I will show to you that later, so be sure to stay watching. We just place our puppies in the puppy cage and together with their mommy dog. The puppies just finished having nursed. This is the mommy dog. The puppy will learn to crawl quickly when placed in this puppy cage. This puppy cage can help us when we want to go out for a few hours. Just put the mommy dog in the cage, and we will not worry about the puppies fell from other container, because they are in the puppy cage already, so they are secured, and we can be sure that the mommy can nurse her puppies. That's one advantage of having a puppy dog cage. And having puppy cage is better for our puppies, because they will feel not very hot, okay, as compared to the whelping box. And the mommy dog can lie down straight in this puppy cage. Just make sure that before we leave the mommy dog in the puppy cage, she's done with her personal necessities like peeing and pooping. Okay, and we leave feeding water feeder on the puppy cage so that the mommy can stay hydrated. The puppy can have better traction when crawling and starting to walk in this puppy cage. So puppy cage is very useful. And this puppy cage, you can make this puppy cage at home by yourself. I have videos on how to make a puppy cage. And that's our video for today. I hope you like this video. Please help us circulate this video so we can help other pet lovers to learn from our video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.